What's up guys, Curtis Chunky Chops in the house, and today I am with Scarlett.
Hello. I've already made my
Today
slime,
we're making slime. So it's a tutorial how to make our slime. So this is how you make slime. So first you need some PVA glue up to about, Danny, how much is it? About something, I don't know. And then you just pour all the glue into there. Start hold the iPad, please. And if it don't get out, just get your spoon, get it all out.
Look, 'cause I'm putting the fingers in the way.
Don't put them in the way then.
No, because I've got slime on me.
Did you have eggs? Oh, in the sink again. That's what it was the other day.
No.
I've got pink food colouring and it says pink. But we should have glitter.
We're not adding anything, so we're trying to make it clear, aren't we?
Pink.
Then
Pink glitter, but
you need
the glitter won't work, and this is what to surface.
That's what it did to mine. It went a bit pooey.
Yeah, poo.
Mix all that together.
And then you can look at mine. I've been playing with it all day.
Scarlett, just show them how to make it. So this is how you make the slime. So you get your PVA glue.
Then warm water. Warm water.
Scarlett, no, normal water.
No, warm.
No.
It is warm.
And then you get the warm water. Yeah, you do. So when you've mixed all that in, you need some warm water. And then you get borax. So you get these borax.
God, what are you doing, Curtin?
What do we know?
You're doing it wrong.
No.
Don't put lots in.
So you get
That's going to
a
stick.
teaspoon. Just
Right.
washing this out. Washing that. So
Your slime's going a bit good.
So I've got my spoon clean. Now I get a teaspoon of borax.
Not all of that. That's what it's
A
the
teaspoon
problem.
of borax. And you mix that in.
Got all of it. I need a bit more borax
It's gonna
on
look
mine.
really cool, isn't it?
Yeah, really cool.
I can feel it already. Oh look guys. It's getting into slime already. I can feel it. Adding no glitter is best.
Yeah,
Do you
or
think?
food colouring.
Or food colouring.
That's what mine is.
And here's mine.
And here's Curtis's. You get it from Asda. Can you see Asda? Asda. And we got this from Asda, but it was a big mistake.
Fail.
And yeah.
Whoa.
I'll show you something, guys. Watch. You have to watch this. It's really, really good. Really good. I can make a bubble with them.
Don't show them that. Show them in your video.
I can't.
Just delete videos then.
No, because I've deleted hundreds of them.
So you keep mixing that. I'm wondering what that noise is of chopping. It's my mum chopping up the potatoes or
Carrots.
carrots.
Harry.
Danny, can you help us get all the water out, please? So my stepdad here is just helping get the stuff ready. So it's not really going clear, it's just going white basically.
You can put a little bit of blue in, but take it.
No, because that'll probably spoil it. Stop that. When you blow it. So, making the progress with the slime. It's getting to be good.
I've already got 7 views already.
So, is it getting to it?
Get your hands in now.
Put my hands in. Oh no. Feel. Ooh, that feels cool. Feel it.
Oh yeah, it feels cool.
It is
It
working.
feels sticky.
It's working though.
Yeah.
I'm getting our hands
Get
in
your
it.
hands in.
I like Petit Pois. I picked them up and I was like,
Oh,
Robin was
it's
like, it's all right, I don't
freezing
need them. And then we got
cold.
Oh, all the water's absorbed and it's gone into this slime. It's actually worked. It's actually worked. Look,
Get it out.
slime.
Slime, let me get some.
we're going to go to the shop.
Oh, it's slime. Oh, look, it's actually worked, guys. It's not a fail anymore.
Yeah, get some more water in.
You don't want water in it.
No, there.
No, you don't want water in it.
Got the rest.
Whoa, this slime. Whoa, whoa.
Whoa, I'll get some, you get some. I will hide that.
No, no, you
We're
don't.
just going to throw everything on the floor till we're finished.
Whoa.
That's good slime now, it's getting good. This slime.
My slime's getting good for some reason.
But it's
So,
bumpy.
guys, look at this.
White slime. Wow.
So mix it all together. I'll just get some pink slime in yours. In yours.
What?
In. It adds some pink slime from yours in.
I'll put a bit of white in mine. This is Curtis's.
No, this one's mine.
I said this is Curtis. No, I'm not having white slime.
Okay.
But I'm just playing with it for a reason.
For what reason?
Because I want to play with it. So it's better than mine. No, it isn't. Let me have a bit more.
No. You're snatching it all off me.
Not all.
You are.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is mine. This is mine. Get it off. Get it off.
How's it gone?
It's good. Mine's getting better.